Hey guys, it's Side Hustle Keisha. Thank you for coming back and checking out my channel. If you didn't see the video I posted today, you should look at it. A side hustle that many are turning into a business. Now, you can keep it as a side hustle, you could turn it into a business. Listen, it's fourth quarter. People are going to be cashing in Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. People are going to be spending money. And this is a cool side hustle that you absolutely can turn into a major business. But you could do it just for a season, or you could just do it on the weekend, whenever you want to do it. But check out the video. The link is in my description. In my bio, in the description box. My link is there. Click on it. Check out this opportunity for you and your friends, your family, your business partners, your business friends to cash in and make money during fourth quarter. I'll see you on my YouTube channel. Make sure you click the link in the bio. Make sure you like, follow me, subscribe, and all that. I'll see you over there. Okay? Bye-bye.